Hiring managers spend less than 7 seconds analyzing your resume, so you need to make sure every second counts. But how do you do that? There are a few ways. Firstly, you could consult a professional resume writer like our trained staff at Career Addict, who can help improve your resume and make sure it stands out from the crowd. Or you could follow the 7 steps that we're going to discuss. Number 1, have a clear headline. Your headline is the first thing a hiring manager will see, so you want to make sure it stands out. Firstly, make sure it reflects your job title and your most notable achievements. Your headline should also be tailored to the job you're applying for and feature important keywords from the relevant job description. In addition, be sure to use title case for your headline. 2. Reference your LinkedIn profile. Linking to your LinkedIn profile is a necessary step in today's job market. For starters, recruiters want to see that you have an online presence, and secondly, it shows that you are keen to network and be a key industry player. That said, don't link to a deadbeat LinkedIn profile. Instead, ensure it's full of information about your work history and career achievements. 3. Keep your resume short. When writing your resume, it's important to keep it short and concise. 1 to 2 pages is the ideal length, unless you're writing an academic CV. An easy way to keep your resume concise is to include only recent, relevant experience from the last 10 to 15 years. Let's say you're a marketing manager, for example. You don't need to include your retail job from your university days. 4. Demonstrate results with numbers and metrics. When you write about your previous work experience, it's always best to quantify your successes with numbers. Using metrics can highlight your achievements and give the hiring manager or recruiter a clear sense of how you impacted your previous place of employment. For example, someone who previously worked as a travel agent could say, "My conversion rate was 70%, the highest amongst our national team." 5. Think beyond job duties. Hiring managers don't want to receive a list of job duties. They want concrete examples of your accomplishments in previous positions that show how you can make a difference in this new position. Like the point earlier, explain what you achieved by performing that particular duty, or how you went above and beyond a branch outside of your job description, which then landed you a promotion. 6. Optimize your text. Before tailoring your resume to the role, make sure you've carefully reviewed the posting and use the appropriate keywords in your resume to get past applicant tracking systems. We're not saying to fabricate your current skills, but rather to take keywords from the job posting that match your skills and experience and incorporate them into your resume. 7. Use action words to stand out. Action words are needed to help you stand out. Instead of saying cliché words and phrases like results-driven or details-oriented, use action words like achieved, designed, improved, and established to describe your roles and projects. This will make you sound confident while imparting vital information. But be cautious about depending on action verbs. Make sure to include details about how you improved a process or achieved a goal. Now that you know how to prepare a job-winning resume, you're one step closer to securing that dream position. But if you're still confused and need some help, visit CareerAddict.com, where our professional resume writers can help you craft the ideal